These motorized roller shades have transformed our ordinary bedroom into what feels like a luxury hotel. When we first moved in 2 years ago, the majority of the windows came with builder-grade slat blinds, which severely lacked aesthetics. Even worse, this huge window in our master bedroom came with no window trimmings at all, and the view looked right into our neighbor's bedroom. We had no privacy, and the first few weeks, I ended up covering up the window with cardboard so that no one would look in while we were changing. I knew that one of our first priorities was to get some blinds on this window, and that's when I discovered GRAYWIND. I scoured the internet for the perfect window shades, and when I tell you that I've found the most functional, aesthetic, and high-tech blinds on the market, I am not kidding. These blinds are customizable, you can get them on Amazon, and you can install them yourself. Let me walk you through my favorite features. I promise you've never seen blinds like this before. I was initially drawn to GRAYWIND because of their dual blackout and sheer roller shades. I wanted the flexibility of having both light filtering and room darkening options. We wanted the light filtering shade so that we can have privacy during the day, but still let the natural light stream in. Having a blackout blind for the bedroom was a non-negotiable because I wanted to be able to darken the room at a moment's notice. Some weekends we love to watch TV in bed in the morning or take a midday nap, and for both of these activities, they're very difficult to do with the glare of the sun coming in. Blackout shades also improve your circadian rhythm at night by blocking out any light coming in from the street and allowing you to get deeper, more productive sleep. The window in our master bedroom also gets the best sunset light streaming in, but during the summers, the sun makes the room so hot. So in the summertime, I like to roll down the blackout shade right before the sun starts setting, and it keeps the home so much cooler. The shades are automatic and roll up or down with just the touch of a button, and they can be set on a timer. You can program them to auto open in the morning. At night, you get the best, most restful sleep with the blackout shades down, but you can still wake up in the morning with natural sunlight. If you want to open or close the blinds outside of the timer feature, the blinds can be controlled manually via a remote or the GRAYWIND app. But my favorite way to control the blinds is by voice command via my smart home device. The GRAYWIND blinds are smart home compatible, meaning you can pair them with systems like Google or Alexa, and you can give them voice commands to have the blinds open or closed. The blinds open and close via a cordless motor that's battery operated. There are no wires, and the battery is rechargeable via a USB-C port. The feature that sealed the deal for me is that they have a solar panel attachment, and it keeps the motor charged without you having to run a cable up to it. This is a necessity for any hard to reach windows like the ones I have in my stairwell. The stairwell windows bring light to my upstairs loft area, and once again, I wanted light filtering and room darkening options in order to have more versatility for the room. The light streams in so powerfully, it's impossible to watch TV in the loft during the day, and it also makes the home really hot. But a huge dilemma was that the windows were in a very hard to reach area. The blinds needed to be motorized because we couldn't reach high enough to manually open and close them, but motorized shades in hard to reach places present a problem once the batteries die. That's what makes the solar panel attachment such an amazing feature. It allows you to have motorized shades in areas of your home that you otherwise would not be able to. The solar panel is also very discreet and is hidden behind the blind valance, which keeps everything looking neat and seamless. If you end up choosing the dual blackout and sheer option for your hard to reach windows, I highly recommend that you get 2 solar panel attachments per window so you can have 1 solar panel per motor always plugged in. It alleviates the need to get back up on the ladder and move the solar panel between the 2 separate motors. Nobody has time for that. Installation of the blinds is also very straightforward. You can do it yourself. The blinds come with 2 bracket attachments, and once they're screwed in, you simply click and lock the roller shades in place. The valance magnetically hooks in the front. It's super easy to take on and off, and it hides the shades and solar panel so that the window looks clean and modern from the outside. Make sure you clean the window with an alcohol wipe and let it dry before attaching the solar panel. This gives the adhesive a better hold on the window and prevents it from falling off in the future. Before cleaning up, I'd also recommend testing the shades to make sure you don't need to make any adjustments to the roller motor positioning. We've had these GRAYWIND shades on this main window back here for over a year and a half. Over a year and a half with this blind, no problems ever. Everything's still working perfectly. I actually haven't had to charge anything at all, and we open and close this on the daily, multiple times a day usually. I was such a believer in this curtain, and I loved it so much that I reached out to GRAYWIND myself to make a video and feature them with some of the other windows in my home. These two side windows and the ones in my stairwell are just a couple of months old, but now everything finally feels complete. So I just want to let you know that even though GRAYWIND has sponsored this video, my recommendation for these blinds truly comes from the heart. I absolutely love them, and I'm positive if you end up getting them for your home, you're going to love them too. I'm gonna have all of the details linked for you guys. Again, every single one of these shades is fully customizable. You don't have to get the dual shade. You can get just the light filtering or just the blackout. They have an entire line of window treatments, so feel free to check that out. Leave me a comment if you guys have any questions. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you guys end up getting some for yourselves, please let me know. I'm really excited to hear what you guys think.